Valtim is a marketing solutions logistics provider based in Central Virginia and provides data management as part of their service offerings. Whether you're printing, seeking donors, or recruiting for your school or organization, the most valuable asset you have is your data.
At the core of everything Valtim does is our data. And so that means the data has to be clean and it has to be reliable. We'll take a customer's data list and we'll run it through some practices like the National Change of Address System, the CAST Address Standardization System, and we'll use that to clean up the data and make sure that the data that they have is in the correct format, whether that's a correct file type, as well as in the correct fields.
Once the databases are cleaned up, Valtim integrates your projects and databases into many great tools for maximum impact.
Another part of data management is organizing all of your different campaigns through either a marketing automation tool or in a tool that is able to keep track of all your different campaigns across channels. We're able to leverage technology with data at the core and bridge channels. So for instance, we have something called a personalized URL or a PURL. What that is that it uses a website's base and changes the content on the website based off of who is visiting it. So maybe John Doe is really interested in direct mail. We could create the entire page specific to direct mail rather than bringing in all of our other topics.
This type of automation is powerful and extremely effective for reaching your audience, but protecting your data is of equal importance to Valtim.
We make sure that we're cognizant of the fact that we've been entrusted with very personal information sometimes. There's a lot of things that we do to protect that data, whether it's firewalls, regular training for all of our employees on the proper handling of data, purging and data retention so that we're not storing files that we're not supposed to be storing, and just being responsible with the data. Everything that we do needs to have integrity, and that starts with being able to be trusted with the data that we have.
The data center is kept in a secure and climate-controlled environment. Many extra precautions have been implemented at Valtim to protect your data on our servers.
We actually have an internet line coming in from the east side of the company and a different company coming in from the west, and we maintain these so that our clients can always access those data. Data's kept and stored in emergency backups off-site so that if there was ever a natural disaster, our customers don't lose their data.
In addition to improving and storing your data, Valtim helps you to develop and integrate your e-commerce storefront, payment, and fulfillment integration data.
Valtim works with data management is through the application of e-commerce environments. And that really bridges into our fulfillment division, where we'll help build a website or build an e-commerce store to allow customers to place orders for branded merchandise. We then store that merchandise in our warehouse. That the consumer places an order, we get the order, and because we're managing the warehouse, we can immediately fulfill that order. And that's a full supply chain where we built the website, stored the inventory, and fulfilled the order and worked the shipping carrier to get that order out the door. Well, that's one single solution all in one shop. You don't have to go manage 7 different vendors.
Valtim has become a leader in mining clients' data to extract key marketing and user-based metrics. Using these metrics allows you to fine-tune your marketing and increase your ROI for campaigns. Additionally, targeted marketing provides better chances for increasing your member base and donor list by focusing your efforts on demographics that are most favorable to your business. Valtim's data management also allows you to be hyper-personalized and automated in your campaigns.
If you're a donor and somebody's looking at something on your website, you now have that person's IP. Marketing and automation can trigger off of that IP and go to a data set and match that IP to a known person, and then trigger that to send a text message saying, hey, would you like to give to us? Or trigger a call center action, or trigger a direct mail piece based on something as simple as visiting a website. And it's all done automatically without any user interaction.
Our data management easily integrates into omni-channel and multi-channel campaigns, giving you maximum reach in your dynamic and ever-changing audience. This includes integrating your data into digital advertising. Our creative services department will work with your team to create ads and help decide on the best platforms to reach your audience. Our goal is to make your organization as successful as possible. Set up a free consultation with Valtim today to see how we can help manage your data and integrate it into effective campaigns to grow your organization's reach.